In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best instant cameras in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which instant cameras is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Polaroid Instant Camera. Polaroid Now Plus is the Polaroid camera that you love plus so much more. Our Bluetooth connected app offers full manual control, double exposure, light painting, noise trigger, and much more. Bonus gift: the Polaroid Now Plus comes with a bonus lens kit. Included 5 lens filters: starburst, red vignette, orange, yellow, and blue. Dual lens autofocus: get the perfect shot automatically. The Polaroid Now Plus features a dual-zone hyperfocal auto-switching optical lens system. Connected analog camera: the Polaroid Now Plus camera is our most innovative yet. The Polaroid app gives you access to even more creative tools and a simple Bluetooth connection. Available for Android and iOS. Full features: compatible with tripod mounts, micro USB powered rechargeable batteries, autofocus dual lenses system, accurate flash, and Bluetooth connected app. The original Polaroid square format is compatible with both 600 and I-type films. Our most creative camera yet. Polaroid Now Plus, our redesigned analog instant camera, offers even more creative options. You can unlock 5 lens filters as well as 2 additional tools, aperture priority, and tripod mode, within the Polaroid mobile application. Light painting, double exposure, and manual modes are all possible. A tripod mount is available to support your ideas within the original Polaroid square format frame. Here is the item number 4, Fujifilm Instant Camera. Square prints capture more of the moment than a mini print. Comfortable grip with a rounded and textured grip includes a separate thumb attachment. Bright images can be achieved by auto exposure one-touch selfie mode and a mirror for selfies. 2CR2 battery. Instax Square SQ1 from Fujifilm is the latest instant camera in the Instax Square lineup. This camera is ideal for creative people who wish to use instant photos to express their daily moments and be creative. Instax Square SQ1 is a 1:1 square format that captures beauty in every moment so you can keep those memories a treasured memory for a lifetime. The square format means you don't have to spend precious time deciding whether to capture it in landscape or portrait. Simply grab the camera and snap away. You have plenty of space to create the scene at 1.5x the size of Instax mini prints. The selfie mirror and selfie mode combo let your personality shine through. The item number 3, Fujifilm Instant Camera. Elegant, classic design with silver accents. Automatic exposure ensures perfect pictures every time. One-touch selfie mode with built-in mirror and selfie mirror. Only uses Instax Mini Instant Film, prints instant print, credit cards size 2" by 3.0" photos. Package includes Instax Mini 40 Instant Camera, hand strap, and manual, 2 AA batteries. The Instax Mini 40 Instant Camera lets you make a bold statement. The Instax Mini 40 has the attitude of today's image makers and shot takers. It combines fast-to-action features and classic design cues with the use of Instax Mini Instant Film. This will keep you one step ahead of the rest. Thanks to the built-in selfie mode, the Instax Mini 40 can hit the streets quickly. For an extra click, grab the lens and position yourself in the mirror to capture your unique style in a special selfie. Automatic exposure allows the camera to automatically determine the brightness of your surroundings, so you can see what you get in every shot. Number 2 in our list, Kodak Mini Instant Camera. Instant camera plus photo printer. After taking amazing shots with the Kodak Mini Shot 3 Retro, you can choose to print or cancel. This is unlike other Polaroid cameras. The instant camera can be connected to any mobile device via Bluetooth, allowing you to print directly from your photo gallery. Low photo cost: printing is cheaper than ever. The Kodak Mini Shot 3 Retro photo printing machine is the best option for printing right at home. Bundled printers make photos more affordable. Superior photo quality. Kodak Mini Shot Retro uses 4-pass technology for flawless photos immediately. Each photo is printed with layers of ribbon using a laminating process to make it fingerprint proof and water resistant. 2 phototypes. The Kodak Mini Shot 3 Retro Photo Printer supports border and borderless photos. You can write down your memories in the border style to make them last forever. To print larger photos, use the borderless font. AR app. Download the Kodak Photo Printer app to print from anywhere, anytime. The fun augmented reality features can be used along with other decorative functions such as beauty filters and frames. The top one in our list, Polaroid Originals Instant Camera. Now, the new point-and-shoot analog instant camera from Polaroid has everything you need to capture every moment of your life in a unique Polaroid photo. New and improved, with autofocus, you can capture the moment as you see it, so you can live them for years in vivid, sharp color. Double exposure. Frame 2 moments in one by using double exposure. Or, get in the shot with a self-timer. Colorful fun is now available in 7 colors from the iconic Polaroid spectrum. Point. Shoot. Keep forever. This is compatible with both 600 film and I-type film. The new point-and-shoot analog instant camera from Polaroid has everything you need to capture every moment in a unique Polaroid photo. Autofocus makes it easy to capture every moment as you see them. You can then relive them in vivid, sharp color forever. Double exposure allows you to capture 2 moments at once. Or, get in the shot with a self-timer. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best instant cameras amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.